Wednesday, the 31st of October 2018. Yesterday was pretty much the perfect family beach day, so we're just going to do the same thing again. But it is our last full day here in the villa, so we're going to have one more beach day to remember this beautiful island by. And maybe one final go in the pool. Right, we made it here to, hang on, Carafostasi Beach, which is what this one is. And it looks like we've got it all to ourselves. There's no one on the beach apart from us and our eyesore of a tent. We've come back to Georgiopolis Beach, our favourite beach, I think. Ready, girls? Oh, oh! Hello. Are we swimming?
Yeah, in a very shallow sea.
You didn't think that through, did you? Ready, Liv? Oh! Oh, oh, push me over. You sure about this, Liv?
It's freezing.
Right, back at the villa for one last go in the pool.
I need to go on the front because you're sitting on my hand.
On the girls' request. So this has probably been the best summer holiday in October I've ever had. But I'm not sure whether it's the weather that's making me think this or Crete itself. But it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be here in Crete. It's more mountainous and I don't think we've really seen all of Crete. So there's a fair chance we'll be back. Are we going in the pool now, girls?
Uh-huh.
Does Daddy have to come in too?
Yeah.
What's got two thumbs and isn't a wuss?
Who has two thumbs and is crazy? Whoa, ballerina jumping in.
Oh, well, I'm the first one in.
And so our time at Olive Garden Villas has come to an end. But we've been very, very impressed with Olive Garden Villas and particularly Villa Alanthi. But today we're going to travel towards the airport and go and visit the lake. Hang on. Limni Corner. Lake Corner. So we're going to go to Lake Corner. It's going to take us about 50 minutes and then it's another 50-minute drive to the airport. We got a flight at 4 o'clock. The time is now 5 to 10, so hopefully we've planned that right. Right, on to Lake Corner. We'll do this quick because we're on the way to the airport. Have you had a nice time in Crete, Maria?
Oh, it's been amazing. And we've been so blessed with the weather. We couldn't have wished for better weather.
6 days of full-on sunshine.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
I wouldn't ever believe it was the 1st of November.
So I think we'll be back. Lake Corner was very nice. And by the way, if I've butchered any of the pronunciations in this whole trip, I'm deeply sorry. But just hammer me in the comment section below. Anyway, let's get to the airport.
Yeah, home.
Home time. But before we go, these are our best bits. Roll VT.